Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we are exploring a powerful JavaScript concept, accepting a converging function and branching functions to combine multiple outputs into a single result. This technique is useful for processing and combining data efficiently. Let's get started. The problem involves using multiple branching functions to process inputs separately and a converging function to combine their results. For example, we can calculate the sum and length of an array, and then use these to compute the average. The converge function takes a converging function and branching functions. It maps the arguments through each branching function and passes their result to the converging function. For instance, we compute the sum and length of an array and then calculate their average. The process begins with branching functions, which independently process the inputs. The results are then passed to a converging function that combines them into the desired output. In this example, the sum of 6, 7 is 13, and the length is 2. The results are passed to the converging function, which calculates the average yielding 6.5. This step-by-step breakdown illustrates the power of this approach. This technique is versatile and can be applied to data processing tasks, statistical calculations, or building modular workflows. It enables clean and efficient handling of complex logic. To summarize, the converge method is a powerful tool for combining the results of multiple functions into a cohesive output. Its modular design makes it highly reusable in various programming scenarios. Thank you for attending this session. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.